Alright, I want to make a quick video, hopefully, on this Mingfix 115-in-1 precision screwdriver set. This is what the box has. These are all the bits you get in it, and as you can see, it is made in China, but so I guess you can call it another tool video. The reason I needed this is because, as you can see, I have a MacBook Air that has a non-working pad and non-working keyboard, but out of all the tiny tools that I have, and I do have quite a few small bits and things, none will work with these screws. They are special screws on Mac computers, so I had to get something that had the screw that I need, or the bit that I need. So I ended up getting this one because it has it. It's called a pentalob, I think, this type of special screw, and this is what it comes as. It's a nice big, compared to the Icon. I mean, you can see it's pretty big. And then let me show you before I go into that, just to give you an idea. I do have these other tiny bits and screwdrivers for like regular computer work, but I didn't have anything. Nothing in here has what you need for a MacBook. Now, that's why I'm making the video, so I want to show you what it has. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can zoom in a little more. There we go. I think that's good. Now, I found the right bit for it. If I show you here, fits right there. You can see it, or right there. So, and then let me take this screw out just to show you. That takes it out pretty well, and that's what those screws look like. But if I show you the back, it looks like a Torx screw. It's not a Torx screw. It's actually basically a star. This one has 5 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you were to look at it under a microscope. So it can be mistaken for a Torx, which is not, and that's not going to work. So I'm going to leave that there because I'm going to work on that later. The problem is they're not labeled, so all you do is get the icons on there. Let's see if this will focus. I'll do it nice and slow, but it's this one right here. So let me go through that so you can see all the bits that it has, or at least the labels, because it's going to be pretty hard to do since they're standing straight up. So you get a flexible extension right here, a little flexible, not too much. Get some tweezers, get some plastic spudgers that I can even take out. I got a bunch of these right here, just like that, but you still get a few, so that's good. And this is, they both seem to be facing the same way, up or down, so let me see. It's going to go this way or the other way. Doesn't like it, so I put it the same way that one is. Okay, guess that fits. I think it goes the other way, but it doesn't. So then there's this, which was over here. That's why it's all out of whack. Just a little suction cup. I have a couple of those clear ones as well, but that's the one this one has. It's got the 2 long regular bits. These are the, let me see, 2.5 CRB. I don't know if that's gonna come out on there, but at least they look a little better than the ones I just showed you on the other kit. These are, here, let me show you the big, has a different color on them, so it's like a black coating almost. We have this accessory bit, so it just has a couple of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these I guess guitar picks. I got a few others in here, different colors that I got with other kits. So that's that. And for the main tool, basically you can expand it and take it out to change it with the other one. Let me do that, kind of show you. This one only goes that far if you want to reach into something, I suppose. And then you can adjust this one, which it's all manual, so but I leave it on there. It is magnetic, so it's not gonna fall. And somebody said these don't fall. Let's see. Yep. So that's kind of nice that they're not like stuck there or anything, but they fit just perfectly fine so that they don't I guess there's just enough friction, or there may be like a, is that a foam? Yeah, maybe like a foam on the bottom there that holds them, so that's kind of nice that, you know, it's not gonna drop everywhere. But let me show you that a little closer. So we have this pentalob, I think is what it's called. I see the camera will catch it. So that's a perfect star, and above it, that's the torques. But the torque has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, I guess, and the pentalob has 5 exactly, just like a star. I know some people call the torques star, but that's wrong. These are torques. So remember that torques has 6 points, and then the pentalob for these max has 5. Pretty similar, but it's not the same. It'll never work. So you have to get that. Just like all the others. I mean, you get a whole bunch of other stuff which I couldn't tell you where those are used, but so far this is the only weird one that I've gotten. I usually don't work on Macs or anything, so this time around I have one, and so I have to take that apart. I still need the I'm waiting for the part, so it's supposed to be here tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get that going, but yeah, you definitely need a special bit for these. So if you're looking for something, this looks pretty okay. It has a lot of these, which hopefully you won't need, but when you do need that one special tool, guess what? You gotta go and get another one, which I don't mind because I didn't have that for the Macs, and lately I've been working on a few iPads that I had to set up, and then this Mac, so a lot of people use them. But there you go. Just wanted to do a quick video, which I wasn't gonna do, but because it's so different than what you normally may have, I thought I bring this up. And you can buy this separate, and then or sometimes they'll include that special tool on the parts that you get or whatever, so you can get some extras that way. But when you don't have that, you're gonna be running around trying to find it. So before you need it, there you go.